As of January 24, 2023, Tesla has not confirmed or denied plans for a new plant. However, a statement from AMIA, the Mexican Automotive Association, indicates that a new Tesla plant would benefit the Mexican automotive industry and market, where EV sales currently make up less than 1% of total light vehicle sales. As mentioned in Part 1, the potential construction of a Giga factory in Nuevo León, Mexico, south of Texas, was first reported by the Mexican newspaper Reforma around mid-December last year. The initial investment could exceed $10 billion, according to a source close to the negotiations for securing approvals needed to build the vehicle assembly plant. The factory is expected to be located in the town of Santa Catarina, in Nuevo León. Initial investments could range between $800 million and $1 billion, with total investments potentially surpassing $10 billion. Sources told the newspaper that the initial phase of investment will focus on various components for existing electric vehicle models and future developments. According to a source, the new Tesla plant may eventually manufacture a new, lower-cost model compared to the current ones. If the indications are correct, the land for the potential factory has already been acquired. Initial reports stated that the new project, if it moves forward, will initially be used to build components for current vehicles. Later, the plant could potentially be used to manufacture a new, cheaper Tesla model, something that CEO Elon Musk has teased over the years but has yet to deliver. As many are aware, competition in the EV space is becoming more aggressive, with more established automakers entering the market. Facing competitors developing more affordable battery electric vehicles, Tesla could expand its business and maintain its leadership in the North American and European markets by opening a new plant in northern Mexico, analysts say. Tesla could leverage Mexico's lower labor, utility, and property costs. Although Tesla has yet to comment, a statement from AMIA says that a new Tesla plant would benefit the Mexican automotive industry and market. The Mexican Automotive Association noted, "We have always believed that new investments arriving in the country and generating well-paid jobs are welcome. We believe this is part of development and competition in the global automotive industry." Further developments indicate that a Mexican production base would make sense for Tesla. In early January, China-based Noah iTech, a Tesla supplier, announced it would invest $100 million in building an auto equipment plant in Santa Catarina, Nuevo León. According to project coordinator Sonia Gutierrez Matos, the investment will go toward an R&D center for automation and electronics technology specializing in the automotive sector. According to consultant Thomas Carrig, a former vice president of corporate relations and compliance officer at Volkswagen, Tesla's vehicles are not within everyone's reach. This sentiment is shared by many who believe that Tesla vehicles are too pricey, slowing down EV sales. It's not just because the batteries are expensive, but also because car makers have focused on offering high-range models. Tesla's vehicles are not within everyone's reach, said Carrig. Carrig shared that a Mexico-based Tesla plant would enable the company to expand its production capacity at a lower cost than building another plant in the U.S. Tech Insights principal analyst Kevin Mock said that low gasoline prices make it more challenging for EVs to penetrate the North American market compared to Europe. However, Tesla has addressed this by marketing itself as a premium auto brand. Mock further explained that a Mexican plant would benefit from lower labor rates and other costs compared to the U.S., allowing Tesla to lower its prices. Both Kevin Mock and Thomas Carrig believe that a Mexico-based Tesla plant would qualify for duty-free trade with the U.S. and Canada under the USMCA, provided it sources a sufficient proportion of its inputs to comply with the trade deal's rules of origin. This could help Tesla reduce pricing. The potential effect of a new plant in Mexico would enable Tesla to expand its production capacity at a lower cost than building another plant in the U.S., Mock stated, predicting that a new compact model might be built there and in China. A Tesla plant in Mexico would not only export to the U.S. or Canada under the USMCA, but could also export cars to Europe without paying customs tariffs, thanks to Mexico's trade agreements, said Carrig. According to Reforma, a Mexican newspaper, Tesla could start the production of an affordable BEV in its potential Mexico plant and possibly produce auto parts for existing factories, including its 4 plants in the U.S. Subscribe to Tesla stock for more updates. Tesla is reportedly preparing to establish a new Giga factory in Mexico. Following the successful launch of the Tesla Texas Giga factory last year, the company has seen a substantial rise in production. The addition of another Gigafactory in Mexico is expected to more than double Tesla's current production capacity. Despite challenges faced by the tech sector in 2022, Tesla remains strategically positioned for growth. Throughout the past year, Tesla significantly ramped up production across its facilities, including the newly operational plant in Berlin and the Texas Gigafactory, resulting in a notable revenue increase. Elon Musk indicated in August 2022 that Tesla could potentially build 10 to 12 additional Gigafactories, aligning with his ambitious goal to achieve an annual production capacity of 20 million cars by 2030, underscoring the company's expansive vision for the future. Elon Musk, addressing Tesla's annual meeting dubbed Cyber Roundup 2022, outlined ambitious plans for the company, including the potential to produce as many as 20 million electric cars annually. He indicated that Tesla could announce the location of a new factory later this year. Musk highlighted Tesla's trajectory towards achieving a production run rate of 2 million vehicles by year-end and suggested that the company might ultimately build 10 to 12 gigafactories, each aiming for an output of between 1.5 to 2 million units. Musk emphasized that manufacturing would be Tesla's long-term advantage in the competitive electric vehicle market. Currently, Tesla operates 5 gigafactories worldwide, with plans seemingly underway to add 2 more in North America, spurred by Musk's visit to Mexico last year. Media coverage from Nuevo Leon, Mexico, featured Musk alongside local officials, indicating a potential interest in establishing a presence in the state, which borders Texas and has facilitated Tesla's operations with dedicated lanes for suppliers. Nuevo Leon's economy minister, Ivan Rivas, projected significant investment from the EV industry, potentially comprising 5 to 7% of the state's total in 2022. Recent reports suggest ongoing discussions between Tesla and Mexican officials regarding a new Gigafactory, though no deal has been finalized as of late January. Deputy Secretary of Economic Development Emmanuel Liu confirmed that negotiations with Nuevo Leon have not yet yielded an agreement for an electric vehicle assembly plant, despite earlier reports indicating close proximity to a deal. Emmanuel Liu, the Deputy Secretary of Economic Development, responded that they have not yet reached an agreement with Tesla regarding a new Gigafactory in Nuevo Leon. He added that he is uncertain whether a decision will be made within this year. Reports of Tesla's interest in Nuevo Leon first surfaced in December through Mexican media and Bloomberg News, indicating that negotiations were close to finalizing a deal. Elon Musk reportedly visited Nuevo Leon in October to meet with Liu and Samuel Garcia, the state's governor. Liu emphasized that Tesla's potential investment in Nuevo Leon aligns with efforts to attract various companies to the state. He highlighted Nuevo Leon's strategic advantages, including its proximity to the U.S. border, which facilitates logistics for suppliers delivering to Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. Government filings indicate Tesla's plans to invest $770 million in expanding its Austin facility, which commenced operations last year. Regarding Nuevo Leon's appeal to Tesla and other companies, Liu noted the state's proactive approach in providing comprehensive information to aid companies in making informed investment decisions. He reiterated that Nuevo Leon is positioned favorably for attracting Tesla suppliers and emphasized ongoing efforts to bolster the region's attractiveness for business investments.